Good morning, guys. So this is the lobby of Ramada Grand View Hotel here in North Point.
I'll be staying at this hotel for 2 nights as part of a concert package. I arrived at 10 a.m., so I wasn't sure if they would allow me to check in that early because the standard check-in time was at 2 p.m. There was a notice that the Hong Kong government would impose a 3% hotel accommodation tax, but I wasn't charged anything extra. They also did not require me to leave a deposit. The best part, although I arrived early, there was an available room so they allowed me to check in early. The free early check-in was a big bonus for me since I arrived straight from the airport and I wasn't able to sleep the night before.
So ito yung room namin. Okay, so 10:42 na. And thankfully, we were allowed to check in early. So we have two single beds. So I think it's sufficient for me and my sister. And of course, there's TV. Meron din siyang table, mirror, my telephone. Okay, so let's check the complimentary things. We have tea, coffee, and creamer. And of course, water heater kettle. We have a hair dryer. And let's check here. Ano. Ayan, so, we also have a safe and then disposable slippers. And then here, just empty space for your clothes. There's also a full-length mirror here pagpasok ninyo sa foyer. And let's check the bathroom. So far, okay naman. Malinis naman siya. There's no bidet though. This is Hong Kong. They don't have bidet. Meron siyang tub. And, ayan, hot and cold shower. Of course, foam bath, shampoo, and conditioner. They have towels naman. And over here, it's clean, simple and clean. And we have glasses. So, since we booked through Klook, there's no breakfast included. But if you want to avail of the breakfast, you can do so for $88. You can eat the breakfast, I think it's a set breakfast at the first floor, dun sa first cafe. This is a room here in Ramada Grand View Hotel. As mentioned, this was booked through Klook. I didn't choose this hotel, pero yun na nga lang yung available because of the Coldplay concert. Kasi pag nag-book ka nung Coldplay concert, ubusan yun. As in, kung ano lang yung available, ibubook mo na. Actually, I was planning to just stay one night sana so that I can book my own hotel, but wala na available no one night lang. 2 nights yung yung available. So, yun na yung kinuha ko. And wala ring choice kung anong hotel. Meron naman, pero ubusan din. So, kung ano lang yung available, yun na lang din yung binuko. Ito pala yung view dito. This is in North Point. So, hindi siya yung mala central na location. Or, kumbaga sa atin, BGC. Ano siya, market area. It's the real Hong Kong. Ayan. Kasi nga very expensive yung housing dito. So, yung normal people, ayan, siksikan sila din sa mga buildings na yan. Very dense. Kaya sa Hong Kong, okay naman siyang mag-travel. Pero kung titira ka, unless malaki talaga yung sweldo mo or marami kang pera, hindi rin masyadong maganda yung living conditions. Ayan, may dumadaan na tram sa harap mismo. Ito yung harap nung Ramada Grand View North Point. So, sa wet market. Wet market. Tourist ka, pero gusto mo yung local feel, okay naman dito kasi nga malapit siya sa market. That's the North Point Station. So I'll go there. Ayan. So you can also take the ferry from Hongkong, which is in North Point, to Kowloon City. By the way, meron din pala silang small refrigerator na di ko napakita kahapon. Okay guys, so we've checked out from the Ramada Grand View Hotel here in North Point, Hong Kong. And overall review, I'll give this hotel 4 out of 5. I booked this through the Klook package. Kasama siya ng Coldplay concert package. So I wasn't able to really choose this hotel. This was the only hotel available during booking, and of course the priority is to get the ticket, the Coldplay ticket. Location wise, it's 4 over 5 because it's close to the North Point station, but you have to walk for about 2 blocks from the exit A2 to the hotel itself. And if you are sensitive to smell, outside the hotel is a wet market where you can buy meat, fresh raw meat, fish, fruits and vegetables. So some people might not see it as appealing, but if you like something local, then you might find it interesting to see where the locals buy their produce. It's also close to the North Point Pier, where we rode yesterday for the concert. So from North Point Pier, you can go to Kowloon City, which is close to the Kai Tak Stadium. There's also a tram and bus stop nearby. So yes, so overall review 4 or 5. Will I choose Ramada Grand View Hotel when I come to Hong Kong? Probably not, depending on where I want to go or my purpose of visit. Then that's my main reason for choosing a hotel. But overall, I don't have any issues with Ramada Grand View. And by the way, they let me check in early at 10 a.m. So that's a big bonus for me. So thank you very much for watching this vlog. Hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to like this video.